I want to show you something that I've discovered while editing these tutorials. So I go through and I cut out a lot of the blank space in between the times I'm talking and I'm thinking about what I'm going to say next. So at first I was doing this. I was cutting here, clicking here, and pressing delete. And then I found out something different. I'm going to just cut here, and I press the timeline over here, and I can press Q, and it cuts off everything since the past cut. I can do something similar here. I can make a cut there, drag the playhead, and press W, and look what happens. That's like 2 clicks less. And you're not dragging like that. You don't have to use the mouse and the ripple edit tool, and there won't be many gaps in your timeline like this. Here's another thing I learned. In a previous tutorial, I talked about a special hack that I found using black video. I would take a piece of black video and pull it across the entire timeline, grab everything, go up 1 layer, and come down 1 layer. And then I would take all this black video and ripple delete, and it would close all those gaps. But while editing these tutorials, continually doing that, I found out that if you click sequence and go down, there is a close gap function. I'm going to click it now, and look what it did. It did the exact same thing I've been doing in a really roundabout way with 1 click. Now I have assigned it to have a keyboard shortcut, so it's even faster. When I found that, I was like, oh my gosh, that 1 keystroke is saving me so much time. And sometimes I find out things like that are just, they're just awesome. Premiere has so much stuff in these menus, and then they'll update and add more and change things, add additional conveniences. Every time I look up, there's a new update, and there's more to learn about this program.